Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. I'm Zenwithchan and you are currently watching a series called the Mummy series on my channel. So today I'm going to be making a breast milk lotion for my son. I've actually attempted to make this twice and it came out terrible. But you know, tried and error, making it out for the third time. And I'm really praying it works out well. I feel like the first time I made it, I didn't use the right kind of ingredients or the right ounces. So this time I'm following instructions that I found on, I think it was a mum website. I can't remember, but I will link that website if you're interested. So yeah, so breast milk lotion is so beneficial. I am making it because I've realized that my son has a few little like heat rashes on his skin. He's 6 months, as I said. His skin is actually really, it's okay, but I actually suffer from eczema from a young child, and since being pregnant with my son, I suffered a lot of it on my arms. So yeah, so I feel like he may have a little bit of eczema, but it's not as bad as it is. But as well, you know, young babies, especially newborns, their skin is so delicate. So I'm really careful on what I use on my son's skin, because I don't want to use any harsh stuff. And I know that breast milk is so beneficial. I exclusively breastfeed, so this is like a great way to use my breast milk as well. So breast milk lotion is really good, again, as I said, for eczema, for dry skin, for any skin conditions on baby, and also on yourself as well. So yes, I'm going to be trying it today, and I hope you guys make sure that you subscribe if you want to see more videos, a part of my mummy series, and make sure that you hit the notification bell as well, just so you can get a notification from when I upload. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and let's go. Boom! The ingredients that you need for your lotion. So I've just got some beeswax here. I got this one from Amazon. I have vitamin D oil. I know you can use vitamin E, but I'm going to use vitamin D just because I don't have vitamin E right now. You need an essential oil. I'm going to be using lavender oil. Oh, this is peppermint, but I'm going to be using lavender. Let me just get that. Okay, cool. Here we go. Lavender oil. Yes, so I'm going to be using this lavender oil. And I'm also going to be using coconut oil. You can use grapeseed oil, but I feel like this might work better because of the consistency. And then you just need 4 ounces of breast milk. And then you also need a jar. I'm just going to be using a old jam jar that I washed. I feel like this will just store better. So yeah, let's get going. So I'm just going to put all my ingredients to one side. And I'm trying to do this before baby wakes up because he is sleeping right now. Mum life. So yeah, so I'm going to be using a pot. First of all, I'm just going to be using a pot, to be honest with you, because I feel like I'll make it better this way. And then just make sure that you have a whisk as well. So let me just put this on something to lean on. Cool. So you just want to put the fire on. You want to get your beeswax, and you want to get a teaspoon and a half of this beeswax to put into the pan. You can also use a bowl like on top, but I'm just going to use a pan today. I feel like it will just be better. So I'm going to put a teaspoon, and then just half of a teaspoon, just a little bit more, a little bit less than you put before, into this. And I'm just going to let that melt into like an oil consistency. Guys, so the oil has melted, the beeswax. I'm just going to lower it down just a little bit, just so it cools down a little bit and it doesn't burn in the pot. So yeah, I'm going to be using this little Tommy Tippy cup, just to make sure that I'm using 4 ounces of coconut oil. because I don't have anything else to measure with. So yeah, you want to use 4 ounces of your oil of choice. Remember, you can use coconut oil or grapeseed oil. Those are the 2 like recommended oils that I saw when I was like researching how to make it. But as I said, I'm going to be using coconut oil today just because yeah, I feel like the consistency will probably come out better. So as I said, I'm just going to use this bottle just for a mark. Probably shouldn't, but I'm going to use it anyway just to help me know how many ounces is 4 ounces. So yeah. And as I go, cool. Okay, so I think that's about 4 ounces now. So I'm just going to put this into the pan and mix it with the beeswax. So you want to get it into a nice consistency where it's just melted together. You don't want to cook it, you don't want to burn it, you just want it to be nice and soft with the beeswax. So I'm going to get my whisk for this one, but I'm just going to turn up the fire just a little bit, just so it can melt down. I'm just going to mix it together just to make sure that it's fully mixed, and it looks really good and it smells divine. So I'm going to turn this down because this is cooking now. So like I said, you don't want it to cook, you just want it to really, you know. So I'm going to take off the fire just so it can settle. And as it's off the fire, I'm going to add my essential oil, my lavender. So it says that you can add about 4 drops. So I'm just going to add 4 drops to this. Then I'm going to add about 1 to 2 drops of my vitamin E or vitamin D oil to the pot. So again, just not too much, just enough. Cool. So as that is in here, I'm gonna just whisk it again. So the fire's not on now, I just have the fire off just so it can settle, so the pan doesn't burn. Cool. And now I'm going to add my breast milk. So again, you need 4 ounces of breast milk. As I said, everyone does this different, but this is how I'm going to do it today. So this is not freshly pumped breast milk, this is breast milk that's been in the fridge. So I'm just going to use this today because I don't want to waste it. So I'm just going to add it, 4 ounces. Wow. So as you do that, you want to whisk as well. You want to whisk. So you want to turn on the heat just a little bit. Just a little bit. Making sure all the breast milk is out, because we don't cry over spilt milk. We really don't. Hi everyone. So yeah, my breast milk basically looks like this right now. So I've taken it off of the fire just so it can be at a nice room temperature where it's not too hot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place this in the fridge for an hour and I'm going to let it thicken up, and then once it comes out I'm going to whisk it again. But I'm just making sure that all of the ingredients is well mix together. So yeah, this is how it looks now. So I'll see you all in about an hour. Before you put it in the fridge, I advise to let it cool down and then you can pop it in the fridge. Hey guys, so I have just taken out the breast milk lotion from my fridge. I left it in there for about an hour or two because I did pop out. So yeah, so this is now me filming in the evening. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to just whisk it up. It is really solid. Like it looks good. It smells really good too. So yeah, I'm gonna whisk it up and I'm gonna transfer it into my little tub jar so it's easy access. So let's go. Ooh. So as you can see, this is how it looks. There is a little bit of breast milk still at the like top, but I feel like that is normal and it looks so much better than last time. I feel like I didn't use enough breast milk, so this time I used 4 ounces of breast milk and I feel like it looks much better, and I used coconut oil. So so yeah, maybe using the coconut oil and the more breast milk helped. So I'm just gonna whisk it up because it is really hard. Whoa, it is super hard, guys. Okay, yeah, it's super hard. Cool. Wow, I didn't realize how hard it would be. Whoa. So yeah, it's super hard. So I'm gonna leave this out for a bit. So I have finally completed making the breast milk lotion and here it is. I am really happy. It smells divine, I'm not gonna lie. Like it smells really good. I know a lot of people might be like, breast milk lotion, but I'm telling you the benefits are sick. Yeah, so I'm really proud of myself because, as I said, this is the 3rd time now making this, and they always say third a charm. So I'm really happy how it came out. The consistency is really good. I'll just show you guys so you can see as well how it is. So yeah, this is how it looks just on my hand. It has come out really smooth, like yeah, literally how I wanted it. So yeah. So I'm really happy for that, and it smells lovely. So I'm excited to use it on my son and to see if I see any changes within his heat rash, because I said he's mainly got it just on his chest, but I know it's heat rash. It's just really light bumps, and I know most infant babies do get light rashes as they're still, you know, growing up out of their newborn stages. So yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed my video of making breast milk lotion, and I hope it inspires you mamas to try this recipe. It's really simple, really easy. You not get it right in the beginning, but just remember it's trial and error, and you can always try again. You know, this is my 3rd time doing it now, and I feel like I've completely got it. So yeah, so as I said, I'm going to store it in the fridge. It does say that you can store it in the fridge for up to 6 months. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next mummy series. Bye.